Graduate ka na?
Ramos Rizal. She is the grade 6 student and a son of Mr. Richard Rizala and Mrs. Annalyn Rizal. She is under the advisory of Mr. Raymond Garcia. She loves dancing. Her ambition is to become a flight stewardess someday.
Bakit? Okay lang yan.
And now our grand duke, Prince Nero Cornelio Ferrer. He is a great honor student and a son of Mr. Jacob Ferrer and Mrs. Lucy Ferrer. He is under the advisory of Mr. Ramel Alfonso. He loves singing and playing badminton. His ambition is to become a teacher like his mom. Our Grand Duchess, Tiana Sofia Alonso San Pedro. She is the youngest student
Peng.
and a daughter of